Digital MQR in Sultanate Oman presents to you, with the Swiss company Educa 3D, world-class 3D printers with a 3D design program that is unique in its simplicity, making this technology easy for everyone to use. It is imminent that 3D printers will change the world of manufacturing and even all other worlds of business, especially education, through their rapid development, whether in the capabilities of printing devices and their multiple methods, or in the development of materials that are used for printing. Because the 3D design programs available on the market were created without taking into account that the average person cannot design in a 3D program, Educa 3D company developed its Easy program, specifically to make 3D design and printing accessible to everyone. Thus, the AB3D Edu program is considered a new language in the world of design, as the philosophy of its name shows. It is an alphabet that 3D printing users must learn to begin their journey until they reach the potential of their full creativity. For this reason, we have established our own 3D Design and Printing Academy to serve all ages in schools and universities, where we have developed an integrated curriculum specifically designed to be an aid to teachers and students in working on their projects in all subjects. Our educational curriculum is characterized by being a combination of 4 modern educational curriculums, namely STEM and the 21st Century Education Curriculum. Education curriculums based on learner centricity, and on the curriculum based on project completion. Through it, we have transformed education into an exciting journey. It provides an attractive environment for all age groups, in a way that is fun, easy to understand, and encourages participation and achievement. Our unique method makes the use of 3D printing and design a teaching tool, not a separate program. It is included in all study subjects. It is possible to do a project in science, mathematics, and technology, as is the case in STEM, but we have also included it in all other subjects, even the humanistic and literary ones, such as the Arabic language, the English language, history, geography, and other subjects. Thus, student projects in all grades of study for any subject have turned into innovative and creative projects. As students progress in their studies and are able to use the program in design and printing in an ascending manner, they can include it in programming and robotics courses and make 3D printing an important factor in the success of these courses, and in giving children in a place where people can explore the wide world of technology and become innovators and entrepreneurs of the future. We have applied our curriculum so far in 7 countries around the world, and we are now in Sultanate Oman. Come and join us to present our course in 3D design and printing in schools, institutes, and universities. At Digital MQR, our goal is to empower students to express their creativity in their unique manner and participate in competitions, earning rewards that inspire them to generate even more. Thank you for watching. To contact us at Digital MQR in Sultanate Oman, please contact us or send a message through social media sites.